Okay, well, let's flash her up and see what's going to happen here. So. Welcome to Jim's Hangar. As promised, we're going to take you through the construction phase here. The main hangar is completed, as you can see, but there's a mezzanine that's going to be put up here at the 8-foot mark, and then there'll be a 10-foot room above it. So maybe, I don't know if you can see on the camera how big this space is. It's incredible. The size of the mezzanine is going to be where they have a tin left off the drywall up above. So as you can see, it's a fairly big space. So what I envision here, right on this line right here, is a beam. I've got this massive bridge beam I bought at an auction, and it's going to hold up the mezzanine itself. And then underneath, my cars can be there. Then I'll have a 421 and a 182 here. This is just, this is the start of something big here. So we just thought we'd include you in on this. And next time you'll see me, hopefully I'll have a beam up. So may all your skies be blue.